What's up, y'all?
Yeah.
So we are back with another bop for y'all. And today we are gonna be pranking. I really feel like I just wanted to prank everybody in my family.
We're not gonna do everybody today.
We're not everybody, but like we going to my dad's house because we actually buried my Uncle Johnny yesterday. So rest in peace to you, Uncle Johnny. We love you so much, and you will forever be remembered and loved. And we love you forever. So I just wanted to say that. But so gotta go rest my hand off.
What the f? Oh my gosh. Yo, so we about to prank her little sister, Destiny.
Yeah.
We're gonna do the little sneezing prank. We got her to come pick us up so we can go to her daddy crib.
Yes.
So we're gonna kick it with everybody. But on the way, we're gonna like be vlogging and stuff.
Yes.
So we're gonna set the camera up. I'm gonna be in the back seat. I'm gonna be with the baby. And then yeah.
Jay's just gonna act like he's sneezing.
We're gonna get a spray bottle out of her car, and I'm gonna act like I just keep sneezing. You know.
Yeah.
And, you know. Yeah.
It's gonna be good. It's gonna be fun too. So y'all stay tuned.
Yeah.
Cover it, baby. Cover it. All right, y'all. We in the car with Destiny.
Oh, you probably shouldn't have recorded with that. Damn. Damn.
It's kind of dusty in here, Destiny.
Yes, get that out, please. I hit him.
You hit him towards me, bitch.
I'm sorry. I was shaking. He by the camera.
He on your
camera.
camera.
Oh, no, he not. He
Kill him, Samantha. Come on, like you flicking him my way. You're smack him. Like why you not squishing him? Like you acting like a Samantha.
Is he out?
I think I got him out.
Oh.
You okay? Everything good? Okay.
Oh, yeah, like you can squish him.
Jay, you feeling okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay.
I feel like
It's just kind of dusty back here, yeah.
like what?
Huh?
Like
Like
this?
it's kind of just like irritating my nose a little bit.
Oh yeah, you got that.
Run over
AC.
something?
Yeah, what's that noise? Is that
How long was that noise been going?
rattling?
I didn't hear it until we got on the highway.
We're not on the highway.
It's
This
military
is a
highway.
highway.
Oh, this is a highway. Wow, it sure is.
Highways and interstates.
This, you know what? This is straight up like the car's highway though. You know how there was a sound.
Somebody told me, and now I feel like they are a lying piece of shit, right? Somebody told me that they made military highway so that if anything ever happens, like in the apocalypse or like, you know, something fucking crazy, they can land planes on it. But now I really do think they're bullshitting because I was like, okay, yeah, that is smart. Like, because when you look at military highway and when you think about it, it is like a long, it is like a long ass runway, but it's not though. Because I'm thinking, like, you know, I'm thinking about just the back two tires on the plane, but it's got the front one front tire, and then it's got all this shit. You got trees,
But that's
and shit on military highway.
Okay, tell me. Start over one more time.
You said when they were
Tell
building
Jay.
a military highway?
Yeah, say it again.
Yes, when they built military highway, they made it so that if they needed to land planes on it, they could.
Interesting. But people were supposed to drive on it too?
It was meant for driving, but they made it in an event of an apocalypse. So they can, not an apocalypse,
So it's
like
like-
not an actual apocalypse.
It's supposed to be
but
an
like,
airway.
Oh!
I'm so sorry.
Yo,
I said it was dusty.
yo, it's a prank, and I get it, but never again, because you about to make me go off. Oh my God, not on the back of my neck or none of that. Like,
Baby, God bless you. Baby, God bless you.
But I'm trying to
It's
cover
really
my
not a
back.
prank.
That's
That's me. What the
that's not
fuck?
even funny. It's no way in hell.
It might be just AC,
No,
bro.
no, like on serious
Like
note,
the shit is
just
bumping
stop.
out. It's
Let's
bumping
just
out.
Cut it out.
It's really pushing. Like, are you okay, baby?
I'm so sorry, Destiny.
This is that you're driving
On the
crazy.
seat. What?
You're driving crazy, bro. Alright, let's chill. What was now? How was you saying that though? It's supposed to be an airway.
It's not funny
long?
because don't do it again. I gotta
Right,
sneeze.
like, it's dusty.
No.
I'm sorry.
Yes. And then you started on. You turned it.
You need to.
Yeah, you try to sneeze out the window. Like, I'm trying to
I'm
cover
not
your
gonna
nose.
lie.
girlfriend. Because if you sneeze on me again,
I'm
it's gonna be a
sorry,
problem.
bro.
I'm just saying,
I'm
Not like
sorry.
here. I don't care.
When I got in the car, bro, it was literally.
Samantha.
I mean, when you turn that on, that AC, I started getting my throat started itching too.
Don't try to fake cough.
I'm not fake coughing.
This is
That
all
was
fake.
a last coughing.
Like-
I'm about to drink water too.
So, like, this is too much for me.
Anyways, are you saying it was supposed to be like an airway? What?
You got me fucked up. If you sneeze at somebody again, I'm
Did
gonna
that get on
go
you
fuck
too?
off. I'm gonna go off.
Destiny,
Sneeze on
I
you?
know.
Bro, I
That's
sneezed out
so
the window.
nasty.
Did he sneeze on you again?
But I
sneezed
know
on
what
me
we're
one
doing.
time.
What are we doing, y'all? Y'all trying to make my nerves bad, and I don't like it. I don't like it.
Destiny.
No, because like it's really your bodily fluids, and it's like it was all on my back, and I don't want to feel it again.
Destiny, I'm sorry.
Like I just spit on myself, and I hope it was myself spitting on myself, and I hope it was you.
Destiny,
God.
honestly, I hope that too, bro, because I really don't want to just be
Bro,
back
you
here.
gotta relax though, Dusty, because it was an accident. He said he was sorry.
I'm sorry.
You need me to get a napkin though, for real, and wipe your
Please,
back
can I
off?
get a napkin?
Okay.
Is there a napkin?
Is it napkins in here, Dusty?
It's just not a
It's
funny
just so
prank.
dusty.
It's not a prank. We really are just blowing, bro.
I just never, like, no one's ever got in my car and was like, it's
All right.
so dusty.
All right.
It was,
And I'm like,
bro.
I feel
and
bad.
I'm telling you, when you turn
'Cause
on
I'm
the
like,
AC, I
okay.
literally felt it too.
Okay, at this point, if
in my
we are-
throat.
I mean, as long as Khaleesi good, it don't matter. But I'm just
Yeah.
saying, like,
If y'all
I got a history of allergies, though.
same.
I don't
That's
see
why
it,
this
man.
is just beyond me.
Yeah, but I had to get shots when I was young. You ain't had to get no shots for yours, did
You don't know me.
you? You got the skin test before?
No. I have
Say
real
what?
bad allergies.
You did? You got a skin test before?
Probably.
That shit sucked, don't it? You ain't never had no damn. You ain't never
Probably
had
as a
no skin
youngin'.
test.
They breaking up there.
Yeah, because somebody done broke
Why? I
something.
say, yeah, what's this hazard? Why is this hazard?
Because he got the accident.
Hey,
They done
I
took
got
his
it.
windshield
Sorry.
wiper off.
What, you okay, baby? You okay?
I'm gonna just keep it cranked a little bit.
Okay.
Y'all, are y'all playing? Because, like, okay, I'm not trying to be mean.
I'm
But,
not
like,
trying to be mean either.
so if it really is dusty, then put the window down. All the way. Let's
But,
go
like,
ahead and
you
drop
tryna
all the
vlog,
window.
though. You trying to vlog?
Yeah,
though.
Destiny, and it's gonna be
Like,
too
but
loud and
what
too
do we
cold.
even
It's
talk-
already too cold when
Okay,
you
so
turn
go
on
ahead
the
and-
AC.
Okay, so go
I
ahead
think
and-
it's fine. We need to just try to
It's about to
adjust.
rain. It's about to
Like,
rain anyway.
you know how humans
Yeah.
real life gotta just adjust when they somewhere. You just gotta adjust.
Uh,
He's adjusting.
No.
He might gotta sneeze to adjust and see it's raining now. So we definitely can't. We definitely can't do that. Let me put this seatbelt on too.
So what you need, some heat
Nah.
so that you can't sneeze?
Nah,
Because you
like-
know it's harder to sneeze when it ain't no liquid in the atmosphere.
I don't know.
no,
what you
it's
mean
just-
by
Yeah, when I'm dry, I'll just dry out the air.
I mean,
is what I'm
the
saying.
heat might be okay, but I'm just saying,
Yeah,
you
we was
changing the
trying to-
atmosphere against it. If you make them sneeze, it's on you. That's all I'm saying.
Yo,
Yeah,
Let him
like,
get
oh,
Why you getting
adapted.
offended, bro?
Nah,
Let's get
I'm
adapted.
not getting offended, but I'm just trying to make sure we don't make no hasty
Yo, how
decisions.
your day been? That's
Yes, Destiny, have you had a good day? You seem so tense. I mean, it was an accident.
Yeah, I hear y'all. Why don't y'all do y'all vlog? Let's move on right from it.
But, like,
We talk. We in the car with you. This is a part of our vlog. Like, what do you
Oh my
mean?
God, I'm sorry, Destiny. I'm sorry I got to the result.
Yo, we going to my daddy's house. It's raining now.
You ain't like, you know, when you
What?
go to the car wash, like sometimes they'll let them like wipe your shit down. Cause you know, like during the pollen season, did you ever like wipe it down after like the pollen went through?
The car.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I don't have my windows down during those seasons because no, it's
Did you
raining.
see?
I'm covering my face.
Did you see? Like, baby, are you okay?
I'm covering my face, yo.
Baby, because you did go forward with that one, baby. I don't think you meant to, but we're not breaking you.
What are y'all spraying on me?
We're not
Just
spraying.
be honest. Is it just water?
What's the one?
I don't-
Bro, there's nothing like.
Don't touch me.
I'm just
You
saying.
know I don't even like to be touched. So don't even fucking touch me.
I feel like you being dramatic. I don't even think I'm. Bro,
I don't think he's sneezing on you, bro. I don't see no
I'm trying to
droplets.
like
I don't
turn
see
away.
nothing.
We almost at Daddy's house. Y'all need to get the fuck out of my car. These are what y'all live for.
What?
Matter of fact, I'll pay for it.
Yeah,
Don't worry.
What?
Y'all stressing me the fuck out.
Yeah.
No, it's
I
on
think-
my ear, and I don't
see.
like, bitch. If you touch me, I'ma hit you.
Why did you give me a napkin? You never gave me a napkin.
Yeah, it ain't no napkin.
It ain't no napkin.
I don't see no napkin.
Y'all got me fucked up. Don't touch shit in my car.
Yo, that's
Destiny,
Y'all got me on another level of fucking upset. Get the wife back at least the damn bag and don't touch shit out.
Alright, you focus.
I ain't
Yeah.
trying to reach over to Lisa.
Sure it is though. Yeah.
What?
I ain't trying to.
What sense did that make? You don't want to reach over the damn baby?
I might sneeze on her.
No, like, but you don't give a fuck about sneezing on me. It's gonna get to her anyway. That's my damn baby.
I don't think he was.
No.
Bro, I
This
did not
nigga's
see him
raining,
sneeze
bro.
on you
Slow
once.
down. It's
He
raining.
literally.
You gotta chill.
Yes, you gotta relax.
You gotta chill.
Relax, bro. But he didn't sneeze on you once.
I swear
I
I'm
mean,
not
maybe
stressed.
the first time, but bro, I'm telling you, I've been looking. After he said it the first time, I was looking, bro.
But that's you gotta.
So you gotta be careful. I think your nerves is getting bad, and you telling yourself at this point that you sneeze. So just drive straight. Let's just get to daddy house because at this point it's raining.
Y'all thinking about doing the thing to prank on daddy? Cause y'all know he's gonna go the fuck off. We're not gonna play them games about sharing bodily fucking fluids. You know? And I'm over here just chilling the fuck out about it. And y'all trying to make it feel like I'm going off. So,
You're chilling.
happy flaws, y'all. Okay? You know.
I just think you need to wipe this shit down sometimes because it's like you get allergies, bro.
Just this is the first time hearing you guys these terrible ass allergies you can't even get in the car.
bad allergies.
The nigga works on home and dusty ass shit. The nigga be outside and cutting grass and shit. And he don't be sneezing on the damn fucking equipment. But he get in my damn car and he sneezing all on my shit. Like, I don't understand. Like, this shit is beyond me. Shit. No.
Baby, are you okay? For real.
Whoa.
Are you okay?
He's okay. We ready to get him up out the car. Daddy got allergy medicine in the house. We're going to take him a little pill.
I
Yep.
feel like I might just have to get out.
You got the best out the best.
Yeah, wait, what kind of allergy medicine? Because Justin only really take natural stuff. For real.
I didn't even
Never mind. I don't got nothing to do with it. Y'all asked that about it. It's too much for me. I remember myself from the situation. You know.
No, we was tripping because the power went out. I ain't even take
Yeah.
that.
Oh, yeah.
Baby,
Okay.
you forgot to take your medicine.
That's okay.
Not medicine.
God got you. God got you. You don't even need it. God got you.
Hey, I'm, bro, God's on my side, bro. I just feel
At all
like
times.
faith without work is dead. So I feel like maybe you should wipe your car down sometimes.
Yeah, I think they in here trying to prank me, Kania, and I'm just very uncomfortable.
We're not
On
pranking
two
her.
occasions now. Justus has sneezed for me, and it's not funny, okay? And I'm like relaying the message that it's just not cool. It's prank time, I
We're
guess.
not pranking her.
Yo.
That's the funniest
They're
thing.
talking about they trying to vlog. I said, okay, it's cool, but let's just not play these games. Like,
Yo, Kay, when the last time you been in this car, bro? This shit's
Bro,
so
it's
dusty.
just dusty. Yo, Kenia, Destiny literally turned on the AC, and I
And then like a
felt
bunch of dust
a
blew,
bunch
right?
of dust in my throat. Like, I'm not
What
even
in the
joking.
world?
Like,
She mad at me.
and that was
I
after
tried to roll the
Justus was
window down.
already feeling the dust.
y'all know, you know what's beyond me? How they 20. No, listen to me. No, yeah. But y'all know what's beyond me. Hold on one second.
Let's
They, oh my fucking God, yo, give me, I'm about to go to fuck off. Stop fucking. Give me this. Justin, you gotta get the fuck out of my car.
I'm so sorry.
No, and like,
Baby,
and now
Justin, slow down.
you're banned. Don't ever ask, like, I'm never,
I'm so
no.
sorry.
Come on now, like, this is nasty. It's not funny. It's really gross, y'all. I don't know if it's water or not. You're not telling me what you're spraying on me, and I don't know. And it's really disgusting.
It's not nothing. Being
Like,
sprayed on you,
it's
bro.
okay, I
I literally watched him.
Can't be
He
nothing
did not
getting on you. I'm
sneeze
covering
on you
my
that
mouth,
whole
bro.
time.
I'm literally covering my whole thing.
Yo,
Just
you fucking
He
lying.
covered his mouth. That's
You
all. I
lying.
saw him.
We all in
Destiny,
here,
I
bro.
saw
Relax,
him.
relax.
Calm
Yeah.
down. You driving fast. You driving
here.
straight. A little bit. And we're
Please relax.
Really, you hey, like, I just don't understand how they talking about y'all just bad liars. Y'all just said y'all got in the car and she turned the AC on and a whole bunch of dust flew out. if anybody knows me and knows me and my baby, I don't let Khaleesi ride around in no heat. So, I just turned the AC on. I turned the AC up, not on.
Well, I'm telling you.
And we blasted it on the way home to y'all.
No.
No, y'all just.
When I'm telling you, when
Daryl is peace.
Jesus.
God.
He almost ran directly into us. What the?
We pulling up, y'all.
Yeah, I gotta get out of here, dog.
Justus, tell him. Come here and take y'all home.
What?
Mhm.
That's me.
Take y'all home.
No.
But that's totally out of the way for me.
Just
you know what I'm
relax. Exactly.
Yeah, me too.
It's not out the way for
It
you,
is
bro.
very
You gotta drive that way.
No.
So, but nah, y'all. We just got to my daddy house, so we gonna hit y'all up.
Y'all, they gonna end the prank here.
I was gonna say no. Actually, Destiny, it was a prank.
It was a prank.
Yeah, this is where they're in here.
Recording.
Y'all,
Okay.
it's really nasty
It's
to
funny.
go ahead and to prank like you're sneezing on somebody.
Yo, I gotta get tink too. We gotta get tink. Oh my
they
god,
do
put
tink
that
right
in here.
there.
Put that in the.